A few days ago, we unboxed the budget mobile from Samsung. It's Samsung Galaxy F15. Today, we are diving deep into a full review to see if it is worth or not. This one I got it for under 15,000 Indian rupees, and this model has 128 GB of internal storage with 6 GB of RAM. Is it a true affordable budget mobile, or are there some compromises? Let's find out. First thing, inbox contents. The F15 comes in a sleek box with a phone itself, a USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and some quick start guides. There is no charger is provided in the box. If you observe, Samsung has removed the chargers in the budget category mobiles now. It is so sad to see this type of bad trend where there is no charger is providing in the box. Also, you won't get any back case or any screen protector for this mobile right after out of the box. Alright, coming to the display, this one comes with a stunning 6.4-inch 90Hz AMOLED panel. The scrolling and navigation feel incredibly smooth, and the visuals from this display are vibrant and clear. The viewing angles are good, and the touch response rate is also good. Whether you are watching videos or playing games, the display delivers an immersive experience. I checked whether this is supported for stereo speakers, but it's not. Only you get the sound from the bottom side, and the sound quality is really good. This display brightness goes up to a peak of 800 nits, which is enough to use in outdoor conditions too. But if you use it too much in outdoor, the screen is going to be dimmer after some time. This mobile comes with an 87% screen to body ratio, so that means you see the bezels all over the screen. Even though it comes with a big battery, the overall weight distribution is really good. This one weighs around 216 grams without any case added to it. This display is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and as I told earlier, you don't get any screen protector with this mobile. You need to apply and buy separately. The vibration feedback on this mobile is not too strong nor smooth. It's below medium. If you keep this in your pocket, most of the time you don't feel that strong vibration whenever you get a call. Also, the side mounted fingerprint and the power button works well. There is no issue of not recognizing or scanning the fingerprint. Even though the display is good, some people want even more than 800 nits of peak brightness to use flawlessly even in direct sunlight. Overall, the display is good for the price you are paying. Coming to the processor, this Samsung F15 comes with the Exynos 6100 Plus chipset. This is a 6nm build processor. In day-to-day tasks, this phone performs flawlessly. Here you can see the benchmark scores as well. For gamers also, this F15 handles pretty well in medium settings. However, if you play high graphic related games, you might feel warm in the display area as well as on the back side. Even when I ran the CPU throttling for more than 20 minutes, I didn't observe any CPU over throttling or heating issues. I already did a dedicated gaming review of this F15 where I played most demanding and high graphic integrated games. You can check the video for more details like the temperature, battery level, etc. I already added the link for you in the description box. Feel free to watch that gaming review. Battery backup is also nice in this mobile. I'll share more details about this in the battery section. So overall, this processor is great for all day-to-day tasks, and performance is also good. I didn't notice any heating issues or lags in general usage. Also, I got some comments that this mobile is getting a lot of heat, but this model right now I'm having, I didn't notice that. See, the usage pattern varies from user to user. So some people use in direct sunlight and some don't. Do note that any mobile, if you use in direct sunlight, it gets warm. Now it's time to talk about the cameras. On the back, 3 cameras are there. The main one is a 50 megapixel with an aperture of f1.8. This is a wide angle lens camera. The second camera is a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with an aperture f2.2. And the third camera is a 2 megapixel macro lens with an aperture of f2.4. These cameras produce good results in daylight conditions. Photos are looking sharp with good color balance. If in case you want, you can click the direct 50 megapixel photo as well from the camera app itself. You can record videos at a maximum of 1080p 30 fps from front and back cameras. Here are some photo and video samples shot on this mobile in both daytime and nighttime condition. There are so many options are available in the camera app as well as the Samsung Gallery app. You can tweak a lot of things here. On the front, it's a 13 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.2, and it is decent for selfies and video calls, but there is no autofocusing or zooming option for the front camera. Here are some samples of the front facing camera too. During the night time, this F15 struggles and it doesn't match the performance of daytime shots. So for nighttime photography or videography, this is not an ideal choice. If you want to know in-depth camera review of Samsung F15 5G with more photos and video samples, I already posted a dedicated video of that. You can check that video link in the description box. Overall, the camera is decent and you don't compare it with above mid-range mobiles. Now coming to the software, this F15 runs on Android 14 with One UI 6 out of the box. The One UI is handy with a lot of features and also it takes the user experience to the next level. I am a One UI user for more than 2 years. I literally loved this after pure Android. Samsung promised this F15 will be supported for 4 years major Android updates and 5 years of security patch update, which is a big plus for future proof. Recently I got the security patch update for this mobile. So software update wise, there is no need to worry, Samsung will take care for you. Now coming to the battery, this F15 comes with a huge 6000 mAh capacity that provides a good battery life for every user. In my usage, the battery standby time is amazing. Coming to screen on time, I'm getting in between 5 to 8 hours for my usage and sometimes even more. I use it in mixed conditions, like sometimes playing games, using a camera, clicking photos, recording videos, watching movies, phone calls, texting, blah 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 blah. Actually, you get a full day of battery backup on a single charge with normal to heavy usage as well. Look at these stats of my usage. You see the standby time as well, so you understand much better. Also note that the battery backup is not same for everyone. It changes from person to person based on so many things like the temperature, the brightness you are using, the area you are using, so many things. Coming to charging, this phone supports 25 watts wire charging, but there is no charger is provided in the box. I already posted a dedicated video on how much time this mobile takes to charge completely from 0 to 100%. You can check the video link in the description box. Overall, the battery backup is one of the big pro in this mobile. Now it's time to see the extra features that are available and not available in this F15. Come to the features that are available or 13 5G bands are available on this mobile. 3.5 headphone jack support is there. Side mounted fingerprint sensor is available. Come to the things that are not available. There are so many things are there. First one is there is no IP rating is there for this mobile. Second thing, no stereo speakers are there. Third thing, there is no wireless charging. Fourth thing, NFC option not available. And also while holding this mobile, I feel slippery in my hand. This is due to the plastic bag design. So you need to use a back case when you are using this mobile. So now we will discuss for whom this mobile is actually meant for. This mobile is good for parents or children's. Also, if in case you want a spare mobile just for navigation purposes or just for calls with a decent camera and performance, this is a great choice for you. If in case you are traveling a lot, I know in traveling a lot of navigation like secondary mobile, this is great. Apart from that, if you are a heavy gamer and want to record videos for social medias like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels or main long form videos, then this is not a great choice for you. If in case you are still confused about whether to choose this mobile or not for your needs, feel free to comment so that I can help you with that. Don't forget to share your usage patterns so that I can understand much better and reply for you as soon as possible.